technology, like the fuel injection piece of that and the direct injection piece of that. We take it right into our passenger cars and crossovers. So there's a great engineer.
This will give us a great opportunity. I know all the drivers that have tested it, both on the Honda side and the Chevy side.
Friends at Delara are feeling the effects of this new investment. And then there's the car. Thank you. Good morning, welcome everybody, and thanks for being with us. I'm pretty sure I heard Roger Penske in the radio on that video saying, push it, push it. And I'm sure the driver pushed it. Anyway, we're really glad that you could be here with us today. Excited about the opportunity to be at the auto show here at the home of the Chevrolet Detroit Grand Prix.
Racing product tremendously, so I'm looking forward to that probably the most. There's quite a bit of engineering that's gone into the car. To me, the car gets in front of you, it normally affects the front wing, makes the car harder to drive. There's going to be less reliance on this front wing. It's a beautiful looking front wing.
Kudos to IndyCar for really taking a big step, definitely forward, because
1, 2, 3. Don't go down.
You know, I think this is the perfect setting to showcase this beautiful 2018 IndyCar. You know, everyone's excited about the automotive industry here. They want to see the new cars, the new technology. There's normally futuristic cars that are displayed here for each manufacturer, so, you know, why not bring our futuristic IndyCar? But what's cool about this car is it's futuristic, but it's also kind of a throwback. You know, if fans were around in the 80s or 90s and they loved IndyCar racing, they loved the way it looked, they loved the way they drove, this is really what this car is all about. It's all about being, you know, a true thoroughbred IndyCar again. It looks the part, it drives the part. It's a perfect place to display this thing to the media and get them amped up, hopefully for a great 2018 season. You know, with this car, it's all about the underwing. So floor, whatever you want to call it, it's the underwing of the car. That's really the main feature. That's the driving force behind why is the car different? Why aerodynamically did it change? You know, there's less reliance on the top side of the car now, so all the wings on top of the car, they're not producing as much downforce. But the floor, the bottom side, that's where you're getting all the downforce now. So there's a big shift. It's actually gone from 45% in the past from the floor to 66%. So the majority of the downforce that we're making is coming from the bottom side of the car. And what that does is it provides more consistency. When you're following behind someone, you can follow a lot closer. The air's not going to be as disruptive. So the racing is really going to benefit from that. It's easier to drive, it's more fun to drive for the drivers, and the racing product I think is going to reflect that. So the drivers like it, but you know, we want the fans at home to enjoy it too. I mean, I think 2018 is going to be a challenging year. We say this every year, but it's hard not to. You know, the competition in IndyCar has been so tight over the last 5-6 seasons that it's difficult to find separation. You know, even the big teams like Penske, Ganassi, Andretti, they don't really find that separation like they have sometimes in the past. So, you know, the more mid-sized teams like an Ed Carpenter Racing, a Schmidt-Peterson, you know, the Rahals, they're all good. I mean, they all are capable of winning championships, 500. So you've really got to bring your A game. You know, and for us at Team Penske, we've got to work extra hard. You know, with our manufacturer at Chevrolet, we've got to work extra hard to get the most out of our stuff so that we can win championships, win another 500. And I think for us, that's really the key, is trying to win the Indianapolis 500. That's the top of our list next year.
Well, this is my home track when you think about Detroit, and certainly the auto show brings so much economic benefit into the city. And for us to be able to showcase IndyCar, we've got the Belle Isle Grand Prix, the Twins coming up in June. This is a perfect spot for us. It's Motor City, it's racing, and it's competition, and you got it right here at the auto show, certainly here in Detroit. Well, from an IndyCar perspective, I've been a big promoter of IndyCar for a long time. We've had our ups, we've had our downs, but I'd have to say today that the momentum is certainly very positive. You've seen the figures on attendance, the interest, the social media comments, all of this has been quite positive. And to me, I'm looking for 18 only to be better. More attendance, more interest in the sport, and certainly more competition.
Well, you just said it. Everybody, the teams that got the car now, they're tweaking it. What does the 18 season look like to you?
probably best ever in the recent times for sure. And I think we have so much to look forward to. We have additional teams in the series, tremendous amount of talent that the series is showcasing. I mean, that's probably talent that's best ever. And so a lot of good things going.